This is 2300280M, Van Buren Township versus Wasim Althaway. May I have your appearances, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Angela Manning on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your Honor. Attorney Josh Hadley appearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Wasim Althaway, who I spoke with on Friday, and I am expecting his appearance, although he did indicate a little bit of uneasiness with Zoom, which I do know we've had a little bit of issues in the past.
So, Mr. Hadley, you must wait for your client, or are you going to call
Let's,
him?
if the court will, if the court will entertain us, we'll waive his presence to get everything on, keep moving. It's up to you guys, but I mean, he's aware of what's going on and what the purpose of today was.
Ms. Manning, read on any objection to the defendant not being present?
No objection, Your Honor.
And I guess to make the record, Your Honor, I know it's set for a final pretrial conference. We also stipulated that the complaining witness didn't need to appear as well.
Thank you.
So we're all good
How are
there.
we proceeding this morning?
Your Honor, we did receive the signed copy of the order to show cause related to the subpoena that we had served on the company where this incident occurred. After our last pretrial 2 weeks ago, I had my assistant serve that by first class mail and certified. I have not received any contact from anyone at the company or their attorney. We served that on April 10th. It looks like the first class mail. We haven't gotten it back or anything. It doesn't show it was not delivered. As it relates to the certified copy that we sent, it looks like the post office made 2 attempts to deliver it on April 15th and April 17th. The post office left notice when they weren't able to serve it. It looks like no one has retrieved the certified copy of the order to show cause.
That being the case, Mr. Hadley?
Our position hasn't changed, I don't think. I mean, obviously, we were hopeful that we would see said video if it existed or if it was available. This matter has already been set once for trial and the case was dismissed, and then we're kind of back second time around. I think that's where we're headed. I mean, we have exchanged jury instructions. I don't know. I'll leave it to the people if they think that further pursuit of this video is going to be productive. But I think at this point, our position would be is let's just run it. Angela, do you have a position on whether or not you guys are going to seek, enforcement of the show cause or try to run this down?
I mean, I don't know. I think, obviously I'm frustrated by the fact that whether this company has the video or not, it's clear that they don't want to participate in these proceedings. But I think, as Mr. Hadley indicated, I have the complainant ready to testify. He has his client. I think that, absent a resolution on the issue as it relates to the video, we are prepared to otherwise proceed to trial.
Well, I took a review of our calendar, and we're looking at a jury trial date of June 20th, if you're available, or June 30th. If either of you have a preference as to either one or aren't available for either one.
I think I'm available on both. I'm in 34th district that morning of something. Would it be a morning trial?
Yes.
1 second, Your Honor, my apologies.
Your Honor, I'm not available on June 20th. I have the pretrial docket in Taylor that morning, but I do have June 30th available if Mr. Hadley is available.
Absolutely.
Okay. So trial of this matter, an in-person jury trial will be scheduled for June 30th. That is a Friday. I want the parties, the attorneys here at 8:30, jurors here at 9 o'clock. If there are any preliminary matters that we need to dispose of, we will do that while the jurors are gathering. 1, 2, 3 weeks before that will be June the 9th. Exhibit and witness list due and the jury instructions. If there is a resolution of this matter, settlement or plea, that will be taken. That will be the absolute last day that it could be done. If you need to get on the court's docket for a resolution before June 9th, reach out to Mary Ann and we'll get something scheduled real quickly. Ms. Manorino, if you want to pursue the issue of the video, this gives you some time to get that done. Our jury clerk needs 3 weeks to get the juror summoned. That's why the cutoff is that June 9th date, so that we don't summon a panel and then don't need them. I think that covers everything. Anything, Ms. Manorino, anything else you want to address this morning?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
Anything else, Mr. Hadley?
No, Your Honor.
And that concludes this matter. I will see you on June 30th at 8:30 a.m. Unless you need something further, reach out to Mary Ann and advise her of saying, thank you both for joining this morning. Have a wonderful day.
You
See
too,
everybody
thank you,
soon.
Your Honor. Thanks, Josh, bye.
Thank you.
Thanks, Angela.